During our class session last week, the recording was interrupted at the end of our time together due to a power outage. But we were right in the middle of discussing a really important topic. In the class, there was a question, why are we doing this work related to analytics? Google Analytics specifically. Especially since all the traffic that will actually be on our sites is our own traffic, doing administrative work like getting the store set up and testing the store. This was a great question. And I want to make sure I clarify it because, as I've said before, everything we do in this class should have a purpose. And if you ever feel like it's busy work or there's not a real purpose, you should be willing to ask me. And that's why I wanted to take time to talk about this today. In this class, what we need to do is we need to not maybe dig in as much on the analytics results. We focus on that more in next semester's class, e-marketing, where we look at data sets and analyzing these data sets for decision making. That's a very important part of the Google Analytics puzzle, or any analytic program you may use. However, in this class, we do want to make sure that you have experience getting analytics set up on a website. And that's what you're going to be doing, and that's why we do it in this class. We want to make sure that you have experience getting into the analytics interface, looking at some of the basic information. You are absolutely right if you say there's not going to be much data. There's just not a lot of traffic on these test sites. It's you, your team, myself, and maybe family and friends that you send to the site, but there's just not going to be a lot of data. However, it's critical that you understand the process for implementing data analytics, specifically in our case, Google Analytics, within your website, so the material is being recorded, even if it won't be much data. And so you know how to share access to this information. As part of this week's assignment, I'm asking you specifically to make sure everyone on your team has access to the analytics data. And that means you'll be sharing a piece of the account with each member in the group. If you have any questions about how to do that, make sure you ask me. And if you need further clarification about the reason we are spending time doing this task, let's continue the conversation. I look forward to hearing from you, and I look forward to seeing this progress on your sites coming this Wednesday. Have a great weekend, and let me know if there's anything else I can do to help.